Here is our week 3, day 4 review. So we're going to continue with our number sense, talking about our division. So our first one is just setting up our division problem. 5,614 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 3 was 3, and then I subtract and get 2. And I bring down my 6. Now I go through the steps again. 3 goes into 26 8 times. 8 times 3 was 24. I subtract to figure out what's left. I have a 2. And I bring down my 1. 3 goes into 21 7 times, which is 21. So there's no remainder, but I'm not done yet because I still have to bring down that 4. 3 goes into 4 one time, which is 3, so there's 1 left. So we get 1,871 with a remainder of 1, which matches letter B. Number 2, which number sentence below is true? Well, I don't want to do 4 long multiplication problems, but I am going to set them up and just check that each step of the way and see if my number matches. So 8 can't go into 3. 8 goes into 34 4 times, which does match there, so I'll keep going. Bring down my 5. 8 goes into 25 3 times, which matches there, so I'm going to keep going. 8 goes into 17 twice, which is 16, which matches there, with a remainder of 1. So A is going to be my answer there. It's nice that it was the very first one. Number 3. If there are 510 pairs of shoes in 6 crates, how many pairs are in each crate? Well, again, I'm breaking this up into groups of 6 to figure out how many go in each crate. So I'm going to do 510 divided by 6. 6 can't go into 5, so 6 goes into 51 8 times. 6 times 8 is 48. If I subtract, I would get 3 I could borrow. And then I bring down my 0. So now 6 goes into 30 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. So no remainder, so I get C, 85. Number 4, what is the quotient? So I'm dividing when 3,677 is divided by 8. So 8 can't go into 3, but 8 goes into 36 4 times, which is 32. So I get 4 left over. 8 goes into 47 5 times, which is 40. So I have 7 left over, and then I bring down my 7. 8 goes into 77 9 times, which is 72. So I get 5 left over, which would be my remainder. So I get 459 remainder 5, which matches letter B. Number 5. What is the expanded form of 50,249? I'm going to write this number out. So 50,249. So I have 5 10,000s, yes. 2 hundreds, yes. 4 tens, yes. 9 ones, yes. So that one works. I have 50,000s, which I do kind of have. 2 hundreds, 40 tens. Oh, I don't have 40 tens. If I had 40 tens, that would be 400, and I've only got 40. So that one does not work. Letter C, 5,000s. Nope, I have 50,000s or 5 10,000s. So letter C isn't going to work. Letter D, 50,000s, yes. 200s, yes. 49s, no. That's not even a place value. So again, in this case, my answer is A. And number 6, there were 692 cupcakes that needed to be placed into boxes. If each box can hold 5 cupcakes, how many boxes would be needed? So we talked about that word each earlier, meaning multiply. In this case, each box holds 5, so I'm not multiplying my total by 5. I need to split my total into groups of 5. So since multiplication and division work together, that each can work in this place to indicate the division. So I'm going to do 692, and I'm going to split them up into groups of 5. 5 can go into 6 one time, which is 5, and 6 minus 5 is 1. And then I bring down my 9. 5 can go into 19 3 times, which is 15. So my remainder would be 4. And I need to bring down my 2. 5 can go into 42 8 times, which is 40. So I have 2 left over. So I have 138 full boxes and 2 cupcakes. I need to put them all in boxes. So I can't have 2 sitting out. Because I can't have 2 cupcakes sitting out, I need to get that 1 extra box to put them in. So my answer is going to be D, 139. So these 2 cupcakes can have a home also. Okay, that is our review for week 3, day 4. Again, all my division problems I used are traditional. If you're using the box method and get stuck or want me to check it, you could bring it in before Monday and I can go over it with you.